Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Industrial lug nut flip socket. This is a 4-in-1 lug nut flip socket. You can use it for 4 different sizes of nut: 17, 19, 21, and 22 millimeter. With a 3-inch impact extension attached, it can be used with an impact trench while tightening a 19 millimeter nut. The nut will fit in the inner hex. While working with that 22 millimeter nut, the inner hex can be pushed in. The nut will fit the spline shape of the socket on the outer. The same applies to the other end for 17 and 21 millimeter. The special design of spring inside the socket allows the mechanism to work perfectly. The 4-in-1 lug nut flip socket is ideal for emergency use on any car. Madison Smart Shield. Smart Shield is a unique cylindrical nail guard that houses wire and cable for better protection from both sides of the stud, eliminating the need for multiple standard nail plates. It is faster and easier to install and eliminates dry or budge caused by using surface-mounted nail plates. It won't bend when installing like flat plates, and is resistant to direct strikes from nail guns and screws. It can be installed before or after cable is placed. Protects wire and cable in wood framing. Goldblatt's dust-free hand sander. It reduces 90% of dust on drywall projects and keep your workspace clean. This dust-free hand sander includes the body and handle, a connection hose, and 2 optional adapters. Also included is a standard piece of 120 grit sand stream. Goldblatt's hand sander is easy to assemble, and it can be attached to any standard shop type factory. The adapters may be required when attaching. Sand down your drywall and get a smooth finish every time. The 6-foot hose allows for a full range of movement, and the connection elbow offers 360 degrees of rotation. Get that professional look without worrying about the cleanup, and steer clear from breathing in harmful dust and contaminants. Industro tubing straightener. Industro 3-in-1 tubing straightener design helps to straighten copper and aluminum tubing with 3 sizes in one tool. This uniquely designed item is much quicker and far less expensive than bench-mounted tubing straighteners. With the ability to adjust to multiple sizes, our straightener helps save time and money using coiled tubing. Heavy-duty bushing driver set from Snap-on Tools. The reliable Octagonal knife cloth cutting machine. It can cut from a single ply of fabric right up to 1 inch high, making it a very versatile, easy to use lightweight machine. Perfect for sample making or other light duty operations. The combination of the octagonal blade with carbide tip and spring-loaded lower blade prevents the fabric from jamming. An extra thin base plate and light die cast design make the 1500F far a pleasure to operate from the novice to the pro. Mart cutter Martellato. Mart cutter is an electric cake band cutter that is ideal for automatically cutting pet rows to the desired length, producing the required number of strips, courtesy of the programming function. The tool makes it simple to optimize and manage stock of different sizes, producing the required amount of each length, avoiding cutting errors and time wasting. The catcher tray is designed to hold the bands exiting the machine in neat piles, with the number of strips depending on the length and curl of the band in question. We advise doing a trial run to check that the bands exit correctly before launching production. Mart cutter has been designed to be used with Martellato rolls, but is also compatible with rolls of other kinds. Where required, it can work with or without the holder provided, inserting the rolls in the machine directly. Metal Plus roofing brackets. The Ultimate Roof Bracket, the Big Boys, and the Roofer's Helper all can be installed on snap lock or mechanical standing seam panels. The men are now installing the Ultimate Roof Bracket on an 1812 slope. The Ultimate Roof Bracket is designed for 2x8 or 2x10 wooden planks. As you can see, they're easily installed with one hand. Even so can what the brackets are still 300-pound rated. Now we're looking at the Big Boys. They're designed strictly for 12-inch aluminum planks. Once the plank is installed, they are locked into place. The Big Boys are mostly used by solar installers, carpenters, and masons because they need a longer stationary workplace. The Roofer's Helper is like having a third hand at all times. They can hold a ladder on the bottom, or the side of them. We can also hook your chicken ladder on the opposite side of the roof peak, or hold solar panels and skylights on the roof. CM Mini Orbital Floor Machine. This machine is the most compact in the Comac range that allows you to take advantage of orbital technology. It is a floor machine perfect to work in small and hard-to-reach spaces. In fact, this compact orbital single-disc machine is the professional solution for cleaning, scrubbing, polishing, and finishing of edges, corners, steps, skirting boards, and all small spaces. The CM Orbital Mini is oscillating head adapts to all surfaces and works effectively even on uneven floors, reducing user fatigue to a minimum. This mini single-disc machine also offers excellent stability and maneuverability in a frame that's robust and compact, but also easy to transport, so you can use it anywhere. SELLOSNAP Tape Cutter. Remove all the unnecessary hassle when cutting tape, either for your shipping supplies or wall painting accessories, by using this handy tape cutter. It does it perfectly and effortlessly. Without need for prior experience, you will have all the tools to make working with tape a complete breeze. It works as the perfect sports tape cutter, box tape cutter, or floral tape cutter. There will be no more lugging around with tedious, bulky stripping tape cutters once you choose this cutter combo. It is a lightweight device with its convenient portability, allowing you to take it everywhere. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.